Mosai, look at you go, big.
Good job. You fixed that spring. You go.
Asher, look. Check out these goofy glasses I got. These are some old Oakleys that I had, but I don't know what happened to my other black ones, so if you guys see them, I need them back. I don't know where they're at or what happened to them. But anyways, we're just out here cruising, going to pick up Asher. Tori is at the gym, working out, tanning, getting in shape because she revealed to all of you she's going to Miami. So congrats, babe. That's going to be awesome. I wish I could go, but you're going to have an absolute riot. So let's get into today's video, but I'll see you guys around soon. Take care.
Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. What's up, what's up? I know, a little bit different background, yes. And I'm in a row. Today we are going to do a try on haul. Oh my god, I've been wanting to film this video for you guys for so long, but I'm just like, I was trying to figure out like angles and like trying to make it perfect. And I'm like, all right, forget it. I'm just gonna try these things on and show you because I'm kind of obsessed with what like the stuff I found, okay? So we will provide links down below. I did find all of this stuff on Amazon. I caved, you guys, and I tried the TikTok leggings. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna try all that on, okay? So like different kinds of leggings, tank tops I've been liking, and then a couple different like spandex shorts that I have been liking also. So, okay, let me get to trying these on and yeah, I'll tell you what I like about it and what makes it different than anything else. Okay, here we go. Okay, you guys, so up first, these tank tops, I am so obsessed with them. So they are more kind of like I'll just show you because I got all these colors in them. So it is a cropped like tank top, okay? It's a cropped one, but it's almost like, it's got like a built-in bra with it, you guys. So literally it's really nice. So you don't have to worry about like even wearing a bra because it holds them in place, okay? But I will say they do run kind of small. I'm usually between like a small and a medium, depending, and I did get a medium. And so ladies, if you have larger chests, maybe even size up 2 sizes because so that you're not like suffocated, just saying. But they are more like compression types, and I just like that the I don't know, I feel like they're higher quality. Like I'm not being like endorsed or anything to like tell you this. I just am a huge fan of these tank tops. I think that they're like really feminine how they fit like this. I just think it lays really nice. And yeah, I don't know. So here's the back of it. Okay. That's what the back looks like, but I feel like these are my go-to. Like seriously, I got this color. Hold on, let me show you these other colors, okay? Also the shorts I have on, these are like these spandex shorts. I do have these ones, I believe I have these ones linked on my Amazon faves too, under, I think it's workout gear I have them under. But I have a couple different pairs of spandex shorts, but these ones I really like because the trend is kind of like to kind of have them come down longer. But honestly, with my body type, I feel like I like mine to come right around here. So that's kind of, and they have pockets on the side, which is really nice. So when you if you go for a run outside, anything like that, your phone like fits nicely into the pocket. And I feel like the phone kind of helps the shorts stay down. And then this one does have a little bit of like a band at the top here. And the other shorts I'm gonna try on, I like the top of those ones actually better because there's like no band at all and it's just like all like really smooth and comfortable. But I do like these ones. I feel like these ones stay down just a little bit better when I'm out running and everything. But the other ones I like better style-wise. Okay, one second, let me do a change. Okay, so these are the other ones I was talking about. These are a little bit shorter yet. They're not like super like all the way up here, but they are a little bit shorter. I will kind of show you like what it looks like all the way around. And these ones actually, I don't know if you can tell in the camera or not, but they actually have like almost like a snakeskin pattern on them. So they're not just black, but they have like a little snakeskin pattern. And these are the ones I was talking about that have no like band or anything at the top. It's just like folded material, so it's really comfortable. And I feel like they're kind of compression a little bit, so I feel like it kind of helps like hold you in. Ladies. gosh. Okay. All right. So let me show you the other ones that I'm like obsessed with. It's the same exact style of these shorts. It's just a different color. Let me show you why I'm obsessed. Hold on. Can we see why I'm obsessed? Okay, anyone that has been on this channel long enough and knows me knows that I love leopard print. Look at these. Like, look at these. Like really, really, like how cute are these, right? Yes, I am a mom that wears leopard print spandex shorts. That's me. Oh my gosh. Okay, so da, 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 da. And these also have the pockets in the sides, which are really nice. But I will say these ones do kind of creep up a little bit more, like when if I'm running or anything like that. So I do feel like I kind of have to pull them down, which I don't like that. But as far as like for style sense, if you're just wanting to be comfy, like casual during the day and just like throw this on with like a cute like crop sweatshirt, something like that, like, yes, yes. Speaking of crop sweatshirts, let me show you this. I'll show you here since I mentioned it. I found this hoodie also on Amazon. Like I said, everything I'm trying on is from Amazon. I'm trying to like keep up with all the teeny boppers, okay? So I guess, you know, cropped hoodies, spandex shorts, these things are in, yeah? This is a little bit of a thinner material, which I like. I did get a size large in this one because I wanted it to be oversized. And I wanted it to be a little bit more like loose fitting so that I could do like long sleeves, anything like that under it. So it does have more of that like kind of chunkier like plastic zipper type thing. It's got the strings here for the hood. Da, da, da. So here's the length of it. I feel like other influencers do these try on hauls and they're so cute and like professional, and I'm over here like okay, all right, I'll show you a couple other colors of these tank tops and then some of the other leggings. Okay, hold on, be right back. Okay, so here is the other color of the tank top. This is more of like the kind of like dusty rose coralish color, whatever. But I love this color. I feel like for like warmer kind of olive skin tones, I feel like this is a really flattering color. And as I was saying, like it does have this like built-in bra thing with it, so it's really nice, trust me. Like it's so nice. I'm like just excited for the summertime, like to not have to like layer, and I'm not a layer person. Like I get hot, I get sweaty, okay? And then these are some gray leggings that I found. These are not the TikTok leggings, but these are some gray leggings that I found. They are really comfortable. I did get a size small in these. I maybe could have sized up just because these are compression ones, so I feel like it kind of, if you get them too tight, it kind of flattens out the booty a little bit. But I was nervous because people said that when they sized up, the waist was a little bit bigger. But I do like that it is like this whole area right here is compression. So it kind of helps hold you in right around this area. And it does kind of have like the dots that like accentuate, you know, and everything, and it makes them just a little bit more flattering. And then it does have the dots here around the booty too. So I'll kind of let you see. I have like multiple different colors of these other ones I'm going to show you. So I'm going to try these on and then I'm going to show you the colors, okay? Okay, and this one is like the olive green color. You guys, like I'm telling you, they are so flattering. I even had someone off of one of my TikTok lives that I did. I was wearing one of these and she's like, where did you get that tank top? And so I referred her to it, and she like ordered them immediately, got them within the next couple days, and she sent me pictures. She's like, I'm obsessed. I was like, girl, I know. They're so flattering. Like, and the colors, I don't know, the colors are just like spot on. They look classy, like you can dress them up, dress them down. Like, yes, I wear them to the gym to work out in because I feel like I do have enough support. But then at the same time, like you could throw a cute little like sweater, like loose cardigan over it. And, you know, just like throw, like sometimes I'll just like throw some jewelry on with it, and you can like multi-purpose, okay? Who doesn't need multi-purpose tank tops? I know I do. But these are the leggings. So these were actually labeled in the color black, but I will say I feel like they're a little bit more like a dark gray color, but they do have a lot of like nice detailing. It's got like lines that kind of come like, so it almost kind of like shapes your leg a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see them or not, but, and then it also does have the lines that come around the booty a little bit. And these are compression leggings as well, so these bad boys are fun to get on. But once you get them on, you feel secure in them. You don't feel like there's a whole lot of bouncing around. I liked them so much that I got multiple colors. So I did get the light gray color as well. Okay, light gray. I will say they are very they're squat proof. They're squat proof, ladies. No see-through when you bend over, okay? That's a big deal. That's a big deal in leggings because it's like, you get so many leggings and it's like, you can't really wear them out in the sunshine because if you bend over, it's like, hello. So it's a big deal to find leggings that aren't gonna show everything, right? So if you can see here, these are the blue. Can't see through there, and I'm stretching it as thin as I can. But these are the darker blue, like the navy blue ones. And then I also got the red, which they kind of look like a pinkish color kind of, and the design is more of a red on there. But I got that color as well. So those are, yeah. I even grabbed two pairs of the black ones, which are like a darker gray. So huge fan of those. All right, now I'm gonna show you the TikTok leggings and we're gonna see. Okay, all right, here's with regular leggings, okay? Regular compression leggings. I was not blessed with curves, okay? I'm very much so straight up and down, but let's see what these leggings do for me. I don't know. Okay, you guys, this here, I do have the TikTok leggings on. Hold on here. But this is the other color that I got. So this is more of the grayish, beigey color. Again, super soft color, they all fit very universally. I got a size medium in all of them. I didn't even want to try the small because I was like, no, it'll be too tight. For reference, I am about 5'7", and I usually fluctuate anywhere from between 125 to 130-ish. That's kind of like the range that I'm in, so just for a reference point. And I'm smaller chested. So ladies, like I said, if you are more curvy and you were blessed with the curves, you might want to size up 2 sizes. Okay, so these are the black TikTok leggings, okay? So I will say, it definitely has more of, it gives your booty more definition because there is a line right here and it has the scrunchy effect. And I feel like the material on the actual booty part is a little bit I don't know, I feel like it's looser than the rest of them. So the rest of it is compression, and then the booty feels a little bit more relaxed, so it's not squishing it and flattening it out. So I do really like them. But I will say I was weirded out at first when I first put them on and tried them because I was like, I feel like I kind of got a wedgie. But I guess that's just to add to the shape, I guess. I don't know. I'm trying to learn all these things, you guys. Like I said, I'm trying to keep up with the teeny boppas, okay? So now I'll try on one last set. I did get the other ones that are these are the famous TikTok ones. I haven't even tried these on yet. So I do have to show you guys because this is kind of hysterical. They're supposed to be full length leggings, okay? Not capris. They look like capris. I'm not even gonna lie. They look like capris. But this is kind of the print of them, but they are really, really stretchy. So we'll see what these look like. Oh, wish me luck. Okay, so as you can see, this tank actually still has a tag on it because this is the first time I've tried this one on. This one, I did order this one too just because I fell in love with the tank so much that I got all those colors, and then I just now ordered the white one. White is not a good color for me because I get makeup and stuff on it, but fingers crossed that I can keep it nice and white. Okay, you guys. I have them on. I will say they don't come all the way down to the ankles. They're a little bit higher, so I wasn't totally wrong in saying that they weren't full length. But you guys, I'm actually kind of impressed. Okay, not to flash my booty at you, but I will say it definitely makes you look a little bit more shapely. So there you have it. There's the TikTok leggings. I'm such a dork. Oh, why am I like this? But anyways, so yeah, here's that. And then I will also, just because I want to try it out and see, because I have all like gray and white on. So I'm being silly and I just want to try this on. So here's this outfit here. All the gray and white, and it actually, like, this is the band of the top of the pants here, and it actually blends really good with this hoodie that I got. So I did size up in the hoodie. Like I said, I got a large in the hoodie, medium in these tanks. I did order a small in these leggings, the other TikTok leggings. Actually, I believe all of the leggings and the shorts that I got, I did get a size small, but I also like to like read reviews and just see like what everyone's saying. I typically try to like scour and find someone that's similar or close to my like body type and like shape and everything, and I try to go off of that. So that's my secret. That's how I find good stuff. But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me and, you know, just listening to my silliness. Let me know what your favorite leggings were, what your favorite colors were. Let me know if you've tried the TikTok leggings and what you think, you guys. Oh my gosh, but thank you so much for hanging out with me. This has been fun, and I will do some more try-on hauls because I've been ordering lots of stuff off Amazon. So yeah, I'm gonna do some more try-on hauls because I found some really cute stuff. Okay. All right, well, thanks for tuning in, you guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave, and I will see you all next video. Bye.